Jeans shopping. Let's be honest. It's either a dream or a complete nightmare. You try a dozen pair of jeans and somehow they all look off, too tight, too loose, awkward at waist, tight on the hips, loose on the hips, tight at the thighs. Why is it so hard to find the perfect pair of jeans? Well, here's the truth. It's not your body, it's your jeans. The problem is that most people buy jeans based on the trends, not according to their body types. But today, that changes. By the end of this video, you will exactly know which jeans will make you look awesome without even trying them on. So grab a seat because I'm about to decode jeans like no one has ever before. And trust me, you have never heard some of these tips anywhere else. So part 1 of this video, the wrong way to shop for jeans. First thing first, most of us shop the jeans in the wrong way. We go into the store, pick a trendy style, maybe check the size, and then hope for the best. But here's the thing, two people with the same waist size may look completely different in the same pair of jeans because it is not only about the size, but it is about proportions, fit and rise. So before we dive into the specific body types and the perfect jeans for them, let me tell you 3 golden rules for jeans shopping. Rule number 1, ignore the trends. Skinny jeans were in. Did they suit you? I don't know. They are back again. Will they suit you again? I don't know. Baggy jeans, should you try them on or should you not? Absolutely not. We don't know. The key is to find the jeans that work for your body, not the trends. Rule number 2, rise is everything. Low rise, mid rise, high rise. This one tiny detail can make or break how your jeans look on you. I'll break it down further for each body type just in a second. Rule number 3, fabric and stretch matter more than you think. Let's face it, denim has changed over the years. There are different categories of fabric. One is classic rigid style, then there is a stretchable one, and then there is ultra stretchable one. Choosing the wrong fabric and stretch type for your body can make even the most expensive jeans look bad. Now that you have your golden rules in pocket, now break it down by each body type and find out which jeans will look effortlessly amazing on you. Now this is section 2 of the video, best pair of jeans for each body type. First body shape, pear shaped girls, wider hips and narrower waist. If you have got a curvy hip, thigh region, but a narrower waist, then it's the biggest struggle to find a jeans that perfectly snuggle at your waist but is not too tight down your thighs or hips. So what are your best choices? As far as the rise is concerned, go for mid-rise to high-rise because that will snuggle your waist completely and will define it effortlessly. It's not that every day you will find a jeans that snuggles perfectly around your hip region without being too tight. So we need to balance the proportion, and that way is boot cut or flared jeans are a great rescue. You can also go for straight leg jeans. The proper structure will avoid excessive bulkiness at your hips. And then there are 2 styling mistakes that you must avoid. The first is super skinny jeans and on the top with a low rise. That will squeeze your butt right in and will create that muffin top effect, if you know what I mean. And second is overly baggy denims, because they'll just hide your curves instead of just flattering them. Second is rectangular body shape which has almost no curves. If your bust, waist and hips are fairly aligned and you feel like your jeans doesn't hug your body the way you want it, then you have a rectangular body type, and the key here is to provide curve with the structure and the fit. So what are your best choices? As far as the rise is concerned, low rise or mid rise can accentuate that part of the body and provide a proper silhouette towards your hip region. Second best option is skinny jeans with stretch. This type of denim will properly hug you and enhance your natural curves. In fact, mom jeans can be fairly useful to you because they clinch at the waist, thus creating an illusion of an hourglass body shape. So what are the 2 styles that you must avoid? One is super loose denim because they will definitely make your body even bulkier and inside a box. And the second thing to avoid is extra high-rise jeans because they will flatten your waist and will not provide any sort of silhouette to your lower body. Third is apple-shaped body. Your midsection is often wider than your hip and leg section. So the key is to provide shape and bring proper proportion towards the lower section of your body and in turn make the leg look longer without bringing much discomfort to the waist. What are your best choices? First is mid-rise jeans with tummy control. They offer structure to the body without much squeezing. To balance out the body proportion, you should go with wide leg jeans or straight leg jeans. As far as the wash is concerned, go for dark wash denims because that will make your silhouette look slimmer. And what are the styles you need to avoid? First is low-rise jeans. They dig into the waist and create unnecessary bulges. And second is super tight skinny jeans. They'll make your leg and hips appear even more slimmer than your midsection. Fourth is hourglass shape. If you look like an hourglass, then you are a perfect sense to the fashion world. Your waist is already defined and your bust and hip area are in perfect proportion. The key here is to find such a pair of denim which do not disrupt your already perfect proportions. Your best choice would be high-rise denims with a contour waistband, because we do not want to have a gap around the waist region because it is narrowest part of your body. Go for a proper stretch denim. It enhances curves without squeezing. You can even go for bootcut or flared denim because that enhances your beauty and proportions perfectly. What you need to avoid is super stiff denim. If the denim is stiff, it will not hug your body properly, and that we do not want. Second is ultra low rise jeans, because that will disrupt your overall body proportion. Fifth is toned muscular frame athletic body shape. If you have strong legs and glutes, then the challenge is to find such a pair of jeans which fits your thighs perfectly without being too loose at your waist. So what are your best choices? First is go for athletic fits. These are designed perfectly for athletic legs build only. Go for stretch denims. They offer flexibility without squeezing your body shape much. And third is to go for mid-rise or high-rise jeans, because that will clearly define your waistline. What are the two styles that you genuinely need to avoid? One is extra rigid fabric. That will not allow frequent movements and that will make you look that you are inside a box. And second is overly baggy denims, because they'll hide your curves and shapes instead of complementing it. Now let's go to section 3 of this video, is finding the perfect fit of your jeans. First is sit, walk and stretch. No, I'm not asking you to do a yoga or go to a gym, but yes, while trying on a denim, definitely walk, sit and stretch, even sit down on the floor to check the flexibility and how your body feels inside your denim. Second is waistband fit trick. The perfect denim should snuggle, should gently kiss your waistline. It should not be too tight, should not be too loose. The trick is use your two fingers and move around your waist. If it moves comfortably, then your jeans has a perfect waist. Third is the hemline hack. It defines your relationship with your shoes. If you are going for sneakers, then your hemline should be at your ankle length. If you are going in heels, then it should just graze the floor. Anything shorter or longer will throw you off the proportions. Now tell me in the comments, which body type do you relate the most, and what is your biggest struggle while finding the perfect pair of jeans for you? You drop in the comment and I'll try to help you with my guidance. If you found the tips and tricks given in this video useful, then hit like and subscribe, because there are more style hacks coming your way. So we'll see you soon in a video suggested only by my subscribers. This is Soumitra signing off for now, your next door jewelry and style expert.